Squad, are you ready to see a beautifully updated pool home in Winter Garden, Florida? We're about 10 minutes from downtown Plant Street and about a half hour from Universal and the Mouse. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 1200 Thornbury Drive, located in the beautiful city of Winter Garden, Florida. This home sits on a corner lot at a 1/4 acre. This stunning property offers modern, luxurious lifestyle in a desirable location. Step through the front door into a bright and open floor plan filled with natural light. The spacious living area is perfect for entertaining with large windows that provide a view to the backyard oasis. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring newer appliances, lots of cabinets, and plenty of storage with a large island for prep space. The master suite is a true retreat, with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom featuring dual vanities and a separate shower. The 3 additional bedrooms are spacious and offer ample closet space. But the real gem of this property is the backyard oasis. The screened porch and lanai is perfect for outdoor dining or lounging, and the sparkling pool and spa provide a refreshing retreat from the Florida heat. Thanks for touring with me. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Contact me, Mary DeBoer, your Wonder Mom of Real Estate today, to schedule a private showing. Thanks.